In this video I'm going to show you how to delete a chat on Instagram. So first, what you want to do is update Instagram to the latest version by going to your App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have updated to the latest version, then you want to open up Instagram. You will see your Instagram here and then head to your messages. So to head to your messages, click on this icon. It looks like a messenger on the right side from the heart. You click on here. And here you will be able to see all of your messages. So to delete a message, find that chat you want to delete. Just swipe from right to the left, like so. And then you click delete. And then you click delete. And now the chat is gone, as you can see. I don't have any messages and I don't have any requests. And that's basically it. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If it didn't, please leave me a comment with what you had problems and I will do my best to help you out.